Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use generative photo editing on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's have a look. First, open Gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now select a photo for edit. Tap the edit icon to enter editing mode. Then tap generative edit icon. Tap or draw around anything you want to move or delete. Tap the object or draw a line around it to select an object. You can delete, move, or resize objects by long pressing on them. Long press on the objects to reposition, then tap Generate button, adding the missing pieces. Immediately you will see the updated photo with generative editing. Tap Save a Copy on top right. Now from photo gallery you will see new and old one. If you would like to remove object, just long press on it and tap Erase button. Then tap Generate. Object removed. So these are the steps to use generative photo editing on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.